Hey everyone! We're here again for another lesson on marketing success with stories on social media. Our lesson for today is all about marketing with stories on YouTube. YouTube has finally launched its own version of stories, which is the YouTube Stories. YouTube Stories was first called YouTube Reel, but because people are accustomed to the term stories, YouTube changed it to YouTube Stories. YouTube Stories is only accessible through mobile YouTube application. That's why if you try to search it on a PC or laptop, the stories will not appear. It is exclusive to YouTube channels with more than 10,000 subscribers, so not all who has a YouTube account can create a YouTube story. Unlike Facebook Story and Instagram Stories' 24-hour lifespan, YouTube Story is available until 7 days, which is a good advantage to make a story impact that lasts long in the viewer's mind. Creators can record up to 15 seconds of video, which is a good offer for uploading teasers, announcements, flash news, and other short videos you want to share. And YouTube Stories has a unique way in replying to story comments, which is by replying with another video to it. In order to use YouTube Stories for marketing, you should gain at least 10,000 followers. Like I said earlier, stories are exclusive only to those with 10,000 followers. So this should be the first move you have to do if you want to have an access in creating a YouTube story. This can also help you be motivated to gain more followers, to have a broad market to broadcast your business to. Tell your brand story for your viewers or subscribers to be able to know you as a brand. You can do this by making a quick introduction about your product or your brand and also share to them the products that you are offering, either one by one or a summary of it so viewers can have a preview about it. Make short tutorials. In this video, you can see in Shay Mitchell's story a short demo on how to add to bag or to cart her newest product. This is a great way to use stories because your purpose is to inform. When people will ask you about your product, specifically on how to use it, you can show them a video instead of the usual way of just replying through text, making it more attention-grabbing to other viewers as well. Another way is to make announcements. You can use YouTube Story to announce a new product you are offering, or to tell viewers that you are having a promo or discount on specific items so they can avail it at a lower price, or announce that you just uploaded a new video that they can watch. The intention here is to make your viewers be up to date about your brand and your channel as well. Drive traffic to your website by posting an exciting news and include a link to its full information for viewers to actually visit your website or page. This image of ERB, for example, shows the link to their website while announcing a new video. People who are interested in the content you are sharing will likely go further to your website to find out where they can get more about your brand. Make your brand more humane by taking your followers behind the scenes. Remember, you are also a person behind your brand. Let people connect with you not only as a brand, but as a person. In that way, people will see that you are also having fun, that you care for your team, and that you and your team as people are the one who is behind the success of the company. Take the story of Simon and Martina as an example. They have posted a story of what they are about to do on the video that they are about to film. Now viewers will feel the excitement and anticipation on what they are about to film. Create a small teaser for your brand or product. This is a great way to tease your viewers about the upcoming news about your product. Teasers create curiosity to people because it reveals only little about the product, leaving behind a feeling of excitement and expectation. In this example, Andrew Garcia shares a teaser of his new song. It is only a part of the song so viewers can have an idea and be curious on how good the song is gonna be once they hear the whole song. Lastly, you can use YouTube Stories to generate leads. You can do this by posting a story that asks a question relating to your brand or product. Then you can gather feedbacks through their comments. And to make it more effective to generate leads, you must answer promptly to comments to make them not wait for a long time. To reply to a comment, just click the Reply in Story button and answer with another video or something from your gallery. Answer it with a call to action information like giving them links for solution or links from your website, pages, profiles to answer their questions. This can also drive up your traffic to your other social media platforms. YouTube Stories may be somehow different from other social media story features, but do not be overwhelmed by it. Just apply these steps and you can stay on the right track and achieve your goals in successfully marketing your business. And that's it for Marketing with Stories on YouTube. Thank you.